Well, I was so happy to discover Get Set Up through the New Jersey Division of Aging because I thought it was only offered in New York City, the Big Apple. And I said, I want something in my home state. And I was looking for classes that helped with mental health and physical fitness. And the yoga classes on Get Set Up were perfect for me because I thought I would have to have the perfect form and knowledge and do everything correctly. And after my hip injury, I said, oh my God, I discovered Twyla and some of the other instructors who said, if you can't do it this way, you can do it this way because your medical doctor said you had this incident. And I love the fact that they adjust to their audience and still have you doing the poses in a way that matters and you can keep up with the class. And then you get class notes that help you repeat it when the class is over. And so for me, Get Set Up has made such a difference in terms of my yoga fitness, but not only for the physical aspect, for the mental fitness and for the serenity that I get in community with other people who are doing it just like I am. I'm 64 and I'm excited to be able to, be a lifelong learner and participate and get set up yoga classes because it's important for us in terms of our mental health and our physical health.